Welcome to Relax Radio India with me RJ Ajay. Eye on China government to bar university from pacts with Indians neighbors. While the Ministry of External Affairs was initially assisted in maintaining approval for such partnerships with institutions from friendly countries like Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Nepal that share land borders with India. HT learns that South Bloc now has no objections to the Education Ministry's plan. The Educational Ministry, after consultation with the Ministry of External Affairs, is considering making it mandatory for Indian university to obtain prior permission from the government before signing any memorandum of understanding, that is MOU, with educational institutions of countries that share land borders with India. The proposal was mooted by the Educational Ministry after an August 9 review of China funder Confucius Center attached to universities here, and also MOUs signed between Indian and Chinese universities. The Confucius program is financed by the Office of Chinese Language Council International, which has been linked to China United Front Work Department, that is UFWD, now headed by President Xi Jinping, ostensibly meant to teach Chinese language and culture. The Confucius program has been accused of promoting China's viewpoint and act as a vehicle for propaganda. Several countries, including Australia and the US, have previously had issue with the institution. The Confucius Institute had tied up with 7 universities in India. Delhi's Jawaharlal Nehru University has an MOU, and the center attached to the University of Mumbai and the School of Chinese Language, Belgaum, Calcutta, are already active. As of April 1, 54 MOU have been signed between Indian and Chinese educational institutions, including for the exchange of students and faculty. While the Ministry of External Affairs was initially assistant in mandating approvals for such partnership with institutions from friendly countries like Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Nepal that share land borders with India, HT learns that South Bloc now has no objections to the Education Ministry's plan. We have discussed the matter with the Education Ministry. They will now have to implement this through an order, said a senior South Bloc official who asked not to be named. This is a change from the past where universities signed MOUs with the institution in foreign countries without informing either the education or foreign ministers. The Education Ministry has also asked both the Mumbai University and Kolkata School of Chinese Language to submit documentation pertaining to their partnership and details of their exchange activities with Confucius headquarters in China for review. JNU has signed 12 MOUs with Chinese university, but there has been no activity on 8 of the agreements. IIT Kharagpur has signed 4 MOUs, IIT Bombay has 2, IIT Madras has 4, IIT Delhi has 4, IIT Guwahati has 5, IIT Gandhinagar has 1, IIT Roorkee has 2, and IIT Bhubaneswar has 3 MOUs. Like, share, subscribe, Relax Radio India with me RJ Ajay.